The UE530 delivers massive cutting power for a machine of this size and is a pivot-type machine with easy-to-use control panel and error indication system. Additionally, it has dual-side miter cutting and bow height setting from the control panel. The UE530 also has a powerful 7.5 horsepower motor with inverter blade speed control for the toughest jobs. This model has a powered chip brush with coolant to help clean and smooth the cutting cycle. Additionally, it has a chip collection tray for collecting the chips easily. The UE series also has double-side miter cutting flexibility to avoid reclamping issues and speed up your cutting cycles. And with this size of work table, there's also a full-stroke hydraulic vise and hydraulic blade tension device for easy operator adjustment. The UE offers advanced control panel functions with simple symbol control. You can control the blade speed and bow height directly from the panel, as well as the cutting feed rate, which has a guide scale as reference for easy setup. On the UE series, the control panel also features a simple-to-read and effective warning system for machine error conditions, with simple symbol warning for blade tension and vise pressure to make sure you can quickly detect and rectify operational errors.